Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by getting the essentials in place. Update your iPhone and verify the TV supports AirPlay or use an adapter. Connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network because AirPlay mirrors over local network traffic. If you skip this, nothing will link. Once done, power on the TV and open its AirPlay or HDMI input. Make sure your iPhone's Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are enabled. This helps discovery. Now, keep devices close. Weak signal causes lag, so stay within You now initiate mirroring. Swipe to open Control Center and tap Screen Mirroring or the AirPlay icon because that triggers discovery. Select your TV from the list. If a PIN appears on the TV, type it on your iPhone to pair securely. Once connected, check orientation and audio output so sound routes to the TV. You can also tweak zoom or aspect ratio from the TV's settings, which fixes cropping. If latency is visible, close background apps on the iPhone to free resources. You complete the session by stopping mirroring in Control Center or choosing Disconnect on the TV. This frees the network. Make sure to sign out of shared AirPlay access in TV settings if you're using a public or shared screen. If things go wrong, reboot the router and restart both devices. This clears temporary network conflicts. As a fallback, test another app to rule out app restrictions and consider a wired Lightning to HDMI adapter for stable, low-latency output when wireless fails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.